Good morning, boys. Come on, Tux, follow me to the cat hotel. Tried to feed him up top and he acted, it's not my food. I'm like, yes it is. It's not raining this morning, thank goodness. Here's the dry chow I forgot on the first trip. There you go. Marty's like, you don't gotta ask me twice. Hey, Morris. I did get a pet in. He's just being shy. When I come back for the second time, that's not part of the plan, right, buddy? Brr, it's a little windy out here this morning.
Yeah, it is. Still not quite daylight, but it won't be long.
Well, it's cloudy. It's cloudy today.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a chance of more showers. It's not even gonna hit 50. It's chilly. It's getting ready for that weekend cold snap. No, my flowers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're not allowed to like it? Just go to the mailbox already.
Yeah, well, my ear stopped up. My balance may not be really good today.
Yeah, every once in a while Don has trouble with his ear. I'll be talking to him and he won't hear me. It's funny how it gets clogged up that bad. It's probably, you know, it's a sinus congestion, probably allergy caused thing. Happens every spring. Of course, by the time I started filming the hawk that's over there, that was serenading me, he stopped. But he was close by this morning. I don't know where their nest is this year. Not in our yard, unfortunately. You guys be good. You don't have to run off, Morris. It's already raining and spitting a bit. Hey, Tux, you gonna hold down the fort for me till I get back? He tried to take over the cat hotel this morning. I'm like, you gotta make up your mind, buddy. The other three are trained to sleep there now after you switch positions. You can't be going back and forth. Good morning, Ruby. Boy, is it gray. It's 46 out there. I'm on autopilot, so Ruby should slow for this guy. She did. Maybe just a little bit more than I would have wanted her to. We got just a little bit of misty rain on occasion, and it's really not going to get any warmer today. Looks more like February than March at the moment. I made my brief stop distraction. I'm headed back to the house now. I don't think there's any reason why Don and I can't go for a walk this morning except for it's 45 and not pleasant out. No sun, not cheery. I know it'll warm up here and be sunny really soon and I'll be complaining it's too hot. But I sure could use a few springtime days right about now. So there's a look at the house they've been working on. They've been working on it for a long time. It's coming quite along now. Really picking up the pace. They've rebuilt the porches. I think they're probably going to work on this house next. There's a realtor buying up properties and fixing them up one at a time. This house has a lot of potential too. It had a tree fall on the front porch area there. So there's a little bit of damage, but it's nice to see houses on Main Street getting fixed up, especially if they stay in taste with the original architecture. Hey, so Don asked me if I wanted to go for our walk, and I said I don't want to go, but we're going.
Yes, I could use, it's been a hectic morning. I'm ready for a little de-stressor here.
Well, I'm ready for 60 and sunshine. It's just flat out cold out there, being outside at 45 degrees.
Oh, sorry. Yes, I agree. I guess the thing is...
We'll wake you up too while we're out there. The cold, if the walk doesn't do it, the cold will.
Well, what it is I've been like running wide open. And literally, I get in the car and I get to relax for just that little bit of time. And I immediately get sleepy. That's how fast it hits.
I hear you. Well, I checked our forecast and overnight Saturday and overnight Sunday is in the 20s. So 2 nights.
Right.
We've got, I guess Sunday morning will be the absolute coldest in the whole, daylight hours will be the coldest. Saturday morning's not super cold.
Yeah, well, the go, no-go decision that was supposed to be made Monday was deferred till today. I think it's 2 o'clock this afternoon. So, depending on how that goes, it's just as well it's cold this week, because if it's a go, I'm probably going to have to do some work this weekend to make sure I'm ready. Yeah.
Plus, you wanted to look at the taxes some more.
Oh yeah, I definitely. I'm close to finishing up the taxes.
I don't like it.
It's not working. Is that light little brisk walk this morning?
It's a headwind, for goodness sake. I don't want to be walking into that.
Yeah, that's pretty rough. Woo. Take your breath away. I didn't start my fit thing.
I'm sorry, but you'll still get credit for your steps.
Yeah.
You just won't get the little map and the heart stuff, right, or whatever.
I'm going to run home and start it. So I'll see you at the house.
All right, Donnie. Love you.
Love you too. Kiss, kiss.
I'm all warmed up now. All the pretty redbud trees out in bloom. Isn't that lovely? I always look at this tree and I remember the year that I pulled in and there was a cardinal up there, and I had my 70D with me and a 70-300 lens, and I got the camera and I leaned it out the car door and I was getting ready to take like the picture of a lifetime, and he flew. And ever since then I've looked for the red cardinal to land on that tree when it's in bloom with the right camera and the right angle and sunshine, and it hadn't happened. And that was 3 or 4 years ago. Us photographers, we always remember those shots that we know were going to be good shots that we missed. Yep. Don had my fob in his pocket, but I've got my fob in my hand now. He did remember to hand it to me. Not that I don't have my phone, but... Back to Ruby, yay! I'm on bag 11. It's going to add some of these supports for the coaster and build up the floor over here and over here a little bit. Maybe not here. Anyway, let's get into it and see what I can get done before I have to go. Oh yeah, and on the side over here too. Well, I made it to step 331. I've been working over here. This is new, this topper here is new, this is new, and then this piece here. Oh, and here too. The only thing that's not right is these 4 corner pieces, and instead of dark red, I've decided to go with lavender. I've decided to go with the light purple for the roof. So, it's coming. It's time to go get Johnny now, though. Well, after I got off of Fuquay Main Street, went under the overpass where it turns to 55. Since then, everything has been reasonably smooth and not too congested, but it's always a little rough getting through town. 47 still out there, so it really has not warmed up much. It's a Honda Accord. Really? Honda Accords are not supposed to sound like that. I finished bag 11. I'm on to bag 12. Mostly what I've done since I got home from picking up Johnny is finish this roof line and this floor up here. These 4 pieces on the corner are still not quite right. I may or may not replace them or add something else to the bottom of them yet. I'm not sure. And bag 12 is going to come over here to this side and build the next level up. So I finished this section and this section. That was bag 12 just now. It's going on 8:30. We finished dinner. We had St. Louis pork ribs tonight. This is the part I did earlier today. Bag 13 is going to put stuff here to about this level. Then 14 builds a piano and comes over here and starts, actually over here, back over here, and starts going up higher. So I'm making good progress. I am on step 357. I'm a little over halfway with it now, and it's coming along good.
Our story began as cliche as it gets, not looking